Hey everybody, welcome to the Decampers. I'm Nick. Today I'm really excited. I'm going to share a project with you, a little interior fix-up project. This is something that I've wanted to do since our old RV. So I'm just really excited I finally get to do it. What I'm working on today is Backsplash. I finally picked out a cool little color, got a good deal on Amazon. It was about 16 bucks for 6 tiles that are 10 by 10, roughly 10 by 10. So what I'm going to start on is the backsplash to our oven countertop area in our kitchen slide. Let me swing over here. Hopefully I don't get you dizzy, and I'm going to show you kind of what I'm talking about. So you can see I've got one just kind of set in there right now. Just give you an idea. Our countertops are this, I don't know, some kind of solid surface, but you can see there's really no difference in the backsplash. And that's still just, that RV vinyl wrapped, wallboard stuff. So I'm hoping I'm going to put these guys up and help protect our walls and to kind of, just make it a little more stylish, give a little more pop to our kitchen. I've got 3 boxes, so if I've got enough left after doing this, which I should, I'm going to maybe move on to doing the coffee bar backsplash. And then I was kind of playing with the idea about the bathroom backsplash and maybe even our outdoor kitchen backsplash. Backsplash, backsplash. Say that like 5 times. So, okay, I'm going to get started and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got 2 tiles up so far. At first I was kind of like, how in the world am I supposed to get the backer off? So it's got like this clear protective stuff on the front. And I just wanted to like pause for just a second and show you guys. Let me try to get this backer off. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of a pain in the butt. But I was really surprised to see what the back of this tile looks like. Come on, peel off for me. Okay, next corner. Like I said, they're kind of a pain in the butt to get off there. Okay, here we go. Okay, so look at this. I wasn't expecting this. They are, I don't know what that is, like almost like foil. Some kind of shiny foil backing to it. So here goes nothing. You guys watch me maybe totally mess up. Very carefully line it up. They don't seem to be extremely forgiving on being able to stick and then remove them. But boom, look how easy that is. I'd much rather do this than grout and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna keep on going and I'll get right back to you guys. Okay, so now I'm down to where I have like this little bitty void left. And I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty simple and everything, but so far my experience is they're not very forgiving. This last tile right about here is the seam, and I kind of got it started to stick, and I needed to adjust it a little bit, and it was not having it. So it's a little bit close to the bottom of the counter, so I'm just going to take my razor blade and kind of trim that little white fake grout out. Then I had to trim a little piece of tile to fit over there, and yeah, you're going to need to, if you're going to do this, you're going to have to be prepared to do a little trimming. Our countertop has like caulking from the factory around the edge, and in this corner it's kind of up in the corner, so I don't want to remove any factory caulking. So I just kind of trimmed around that. I'm going to stick this guy in, and then when I'm all done, I'll go along with my own mildew resistant clear caulking and run a little bead along the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and get this one going, and then I'm going to breathe for a minute because, I don't know, I'm kind of like worried I'm going to screw this up. Alright, and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so success, I survived that little bit. And I'm not going to lie, I did screw up. I should have cut on this little jaggedy edge. Like a fool, I cut on the side that actually has like the sticker backer through there. So I had to real tediously go through and cut all that out. Kind of a pain in the butt, but hey, it's looking good. I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on getting the top of that done, and I'll be right back, y'all. I got it done. Let me tell you, you think, oh, it's just some sticker. Oh, you just, cut it to the shape and slap it on there. Well, yes and no. Like I said before, these things are not very forgiving. If you put it on there and you need to adjust, they stick really well, and one tile sticks to the next tile really well. So really watch yourself, and I'm going to give you a little advice that I kind of had to learn the hard way. So when you go to cut one of these guys, say you're going to start on this end over here. Cut on the end that you see on the bottom here where it's like all jaggedy. Because up here is where your tile, the next sheet is supposed to like overlap, and I learned that the hard way. So, and then another thing is when one tile stacks onto the next, if you need to cut a piece for height, as I did here, it's about a tile high and then a partial tile. Planning on placing the tile where your cut line is on the top, because you're gonna want as much of that little white edging as possible. It just gives you a little more wiggle room. But I mean, look at that, man. I'm freaking happy with that. Only I know where the imperfections are. So I need to go along and do my little caulking along the bottom, and maybe have a glass of wine and get on to the next project. So that's going to be it for this episode of the Decampers. Really happy with it. It turned out great. I couldn't be happier. So I think now I'm going to go into the house and grab that glass of wine. Thanks for watching, guys. Do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe. You guys have a good one.